Here's a new 2020 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Front heated leather bucket seats. Streaming audio. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Dual zone climate control. Memory exterior door mirror settings. AM/FM satellite radio. Power sliding and tilting sunroof. Remote engine start. And continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
For the best dealership experience of your life, come to Sarah Honda, Grandville. We're easy to find, just 1 mile west of the Rivertown Crossings Mall in Grandville.